Now, veteran netball coach Winston Nevers has embraced his new appointment with Jamaica's senior Sunshine Girls team. Shoshana McGowan has this story.
Nevers, who worked in an unofficial coaching capacity with the Sunshine Girls in the past and was also assistant coach of the national under-16 team, is back with Netball Jamaica and the Sunshine Girls squad. But this time it's in the capacity as an assistant coach to Margaret Anderson for the senior national team. This decision was made by Netball Jamaica on Tuesday evening as they moved to restructure the coaching staff and fill the void left by the resignation of former co-coach Sasha Gay Henry last month. Despite being urged for years to apply for the job at the helm of the senior national team, Nevers has always remained hesitant about doing so because of the differences with the previous administration. Nevers was among those who spoke out strongly when Netball Jamaica had a co-coaching arrangement. So, what has influenced his decision to join the coaching staff of the senior Sunshine Girls?
So I couldn't go inside the national program and take the job as a co-coach, no way. I am the assistant and Margaret is the head coach because Margaret was there and Margaret has the Jamaica award. And so I think it is suitable for Margaret to be the head coach.
He also expressed his feelings about his new appointment after a long desire of wanting to be a part of the coaching staff of the Sunshine Girls.
If you look at the amount of time that they find so much excuse in not wanting to bring me in the program, and I cannot bring myself in the program, so I have to just wait. But I'm here now and I just want the country to support me and I just want the private sector to come on board because we need some more sponsors to see where we best can push the program because I am going to be here.
So what now are the personal objectives for Coach Nevers?
I would really want Jamaica to push because I don't want to go away or pass away without Jamaica being number one. I don't know if I can make Jamaica be number one, but I'm definitely going to try. I'm going to get 150%.
Nevers was speaking on Thursday's edition of the Girls Sports Club on Hits 92 FM. The Sunshine Girls will next be in action in October against Trinidad and Tobago and England in 2 ranking series in Jamaica. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, head coach Margaret Anderson says she's happy to be working with Nevers. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Thursday, Anderson believes that they'll have a successful relationship going forward.
He's a very good person to work with. I don't have a problem. I think that together we can make a good team. It's just about working with each other, listening to each other, and respect for each other.
And Anderson believes the Sunshine Girls can reach a #1 spot in the world, but will need much more resources to do so.
I definitely think that we have the players to do the job, but I think that we need the support. I think we did exceptionally well. We don't have the resources that those top countries have. And if we are able to compete with the little resources that we have, it means that these ladies are giving it their all. So if we can get that support moving forward, I think that we can get to the top.